front of me is TECNO Spark 20C, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Special Function. Then tap on App Twin and click on the switcher next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone. So now, when I go back and check my app, I can see that it was successfully cloned. If you want to delete this clone, you need to go back to the same settings and use the same No Blue switcher. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!